La da 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 da. Hey, what do you want to do? I don't know. Do you want to go to the park? Sure. What was that? I don't know. I think you have I'm no doctor, but I think you have diabetes. Okay, I think I know a doctor, but hang on. I'm pretty sure I have a prescription. Oh no, that's for McDonald's. Yeah, I forgot. I was poor. Okay, let's go. I know Wild Bear. He's a doctor. Oh, he's outside right now. Let's go. Try to catch him. Wild Bear! Wild Bear! Wait up! Wait up! Wait up! Wild Bear! He has diabetes. Can you save him?
I don't have diabetes.
No, not him. What? He has diabetes. How clear can I be?
I thought you guys seen that I had depression, but okay. Well, wait. I'm sorry. You thought he has diabetes?
Yes, he has diabetes.
Those sound like hiccups.
Oh,
listen.
Oh, now that you say it, they kind of do.
Yeah. Yeah. Those are just hiccups. So, yeah, you guys can do whatever, and I'm just gonna sit here and sit down in my own depression.
Okay, I guess let's go. Wow, that was weird. No! Maybe after all, he did have diabetes.